Hey everybody, Looks into Swirl here. Look what we have. You're probably wondering, what is this? A box. Yes, it is a box. It is a box from Craft Haven. This is not a subscription box, believe it or not. This is a mystery box. We're about to solve the mystery of what's inside of it. So let's open it up. Okay, here we go. Craft Haven Surprise Craft Box number 1. Implying there will be more. That's nice. It says, thank you for joining the fun with Craft Haven's first ever surprise craft box. I hope you enjoy the goodies, supplies, and projects in here and that it brings you as much fun as I had putting this together for you. Stay amazing. And a signature that I'm not totally sure of. So let's see what we got. In fact, you know what? I'm just going to slide everything out. Off of here. Let us take a look at what we got. Oh boy, I already see a lot of cool stuff. Craft Haven is where I have been buying my skinny straight tumblers that I use for various wrap projects. Now, according to our list, we have a wood round. I'm guessing that's what this big round thing is right here. We have Craft Haven chalk paints. We have Marabou Easy Marble paints. Well, I'm familiar with those. That will be a great addition to my collection. As soon as the weather breaks and we get some spring here, we will go back out on my deck and do more hydro dipping. And now we have some more paints for that. We have a makeup brush set. So I am not sure oh, here we go. Oh, look at that. Well, it's very sparkly. Boy, it's good in here. Good and stuck. Okay, there it is. There's our makeup brush set. That'll be great for all the molds I dust. Makeup brush set, vent clip, alligator badge reel. I have never made a badge reel, so that's what these are. Heart phone stickers. Heart phone stickers offered in packs of 10. Oh, I see. And then these go on the back of your phones. Okay, we'll look at those in more detail. Application bottles. That would be this. DIY glitter pen. 1 out of 8 available colors. Is that this? Oh, yes. You can put the glitter in your solution in the top part, and then you'll have an instant glitter pen. How cool. Glitter sample kit. Oh, that must be this. Glitter sample storage kit. Oh, what a great idea. Okay, like I said, we'll look at everything in more detail in a second. Craft Haven anti-static bag, free gift. Okay, these are fantastic. I use these to transfer bags of glitter into bottles without losing a whole bunch of glitter because it sticks in the bag because of static cling. You drop this into the bag with the glitter that's left, that's stuck in there, shake it up a bit, pull this out, and then all of that extra glitter that was stuck to the bag flows right out into your shaker jar. So these are fantastic. All right, so let's look at everything in more detail because I am curious. We've already looked at our makeup brush set. I'm not sure what the little rounds are for. I will figure that out later. I don't think it's integral to using the brush end, which is, for me, the important bit. We know what the static bag is, or anti-static bag. Application bottles, 3 different easy needle tip application bottles. Okay, I see 2. I guess 2 bottles with different tips, maybe, is what they're saying. 1 clear. Oh, okay. Application bottles, 1 clear needle tip bottle. That would be this one. This is the needle tip. You have to cut the very tippy tip off to open the hole up, but then it's a needle tip, like the Marabou alcohol inks. Same concept. 1 pink top needle tip bottle. Okay, so this is the pink top, obviously, and once you snip it open, then you can reclose it by putting this attached cap on top to close it up. And then the third one, blue top needle tip applicator bottles, also part of release, but not included. Okay, gotcha. All right, we've talked about the glitter pen and vent clips. I don't know what vent, oh, I get it. Okay, vents in your car. So these are pieces of acrylic. They come with some protective paper attached to both sides. You peel that off as you work on them and apply glitter, epoxy, sticker, tattoo, water slide, anything you want. And then you can also put resin on the other side if you want. You can just seal it clear, and then you'll have the one side only. And then these go onto Alligator clip. They attach on one side like that, which would be why you don't want to cover up one side, I guess. And then you clip them into your car's ventilator grill. This side would be the decoration. You can probably put some sort of freshy, smelly things on this side. I have not made any freshies. I've seen YouTube videos for them. I haven't watched them or done anything like that. All right, so these are stickers, which I think means they pop up like the brand pop socket, kind of, sort of, but different. Obviously not that brand, or they would be called pop sockets. But yeah. So you can hold it, you can hold your phone. I don't have my phone right now, but this attaches to the back of your phone case. This you can decorate in any way you want, and then it collapses when you don't need it, and when you do need it, it pops up. You can hang on to it like this. Like this. You can use these for, again, this is something I haven't made and I haven't used myself on my phone. I get the feeling I'm missing out because clearly these are very, very popular with people. So I'll have to give this a try on my phone and obviously decorate these. This is really interesting sounding. Glitter sample page. So I'm guessing, and I am guessing, this is clearly the page. It goes in a 3-ring binder. And it looks to be the right size to hold these squares, like that. There, wow, that was not easy. Okay, it is not sticky. This is just plain piece of acrylic under here, so you would have to use resin. But that makes sense. You want to see how the glitter looks in resin, so you would use resin, either epoxy resin or UV resin, to apply it to this and then put it in your sample page. That is very cool. I like that a lot. Great idea. Badge reels. Again, this is something that's very popular, apparently with, for example, nurses, because they wear scrubs. They need to have a badge with them at all times. This allows them to pull the badge out and use it in a card reader if that's a thing they need to do. Can be used, obviously, educators, anybody who has a card or a badge they need to have access to all the time. They clip this on their shirt, their cardigan, their whatever they wear, scrubs, and then they can pull the badge out that's attached to the other end, and then this gets decorated. Sticker, glitter, etc. Very cool. All right, and we already know all about Easy Marble paints. Again, I'm not going to try using these, but we will use these out on the deck come spring. We got mistletoe, which is a green-gray, and neon green, which is very, very neon. I love their neons. This is rose taupe, so sort of a very pale rose, almost rose and gray mixed together. And this is a glitter that shifts from violet to blue to green. can sort of see it in the sunshine there. I see the violet very distinctly. A little bit of blue and green when I swing it around like that. Very pretty. Okay. Oh, and the one thing at the top of the list that I haven't looked at yet, chalk paints. I don't know anything about chalk paints. Wow, that was a lot of work. All right, we have snow, which is clearly a white. Pretty pink. Licorice, so we have a black. And apple red. Very pretty. Again, I don't know anything about chalk paints. I see them, I read about them, but I have never used them. So if somebody wants to enlighten me on the best use for chalk paints, especially as it pertains to resin, or if it pertains to resin, let me know in the comments below. Really, I'm curious. And lastly, we have our wooden round. So let's pull that out. I'm guessing it's kind of a wood round looking thing. Okay. Now my first inclination isn't to do resin piece with this, it's to do paint pouring. All right, we've opened everything, we've looked at everything. Now I have to figure out a project to do. And I'm not sure, I certainly won't be using all of the items we just done. This is full of different projects. I will show you some of these things in use. You've seen me use makeup brushes to dust micas into silicone molds. Another thing I've seen is folks spray paint a color onto a tumbler as like a base coat, and then while the paint is still a little wet, starting to dry but not fully dry, they take a big fluffy brush like this, dip it in mica, and paint it onto the still sort of wet and tacky spray paint that is already on the tumbler, and they get a gorgeous effect from that. So that is definitely something I want to try, absolutely.